Hello folks, today I wanted to talk to you about another cool trick you can do with Keyboard Maestro, and that is change your background quickly using the help of AppleScript. And so this is what you see right here is the AppleScript we're going to use today to create a macro that will change your background quickly. Alright, so let's get started. And we're going to go up here to my group of macros, and we're going to create a new one. And call it change background. Now we're going to give it a trigger. We're going to give it a hotkey trigger, and we're going to do all the modifier key of Shift, Control, Option, and Command plus I. And then we're going to add an action. Usually what I would do is add the action first and then leave the command until last, but this time I did it the other way so I remember the letter that I wanted to assign to all the modifier keys. Alright, so now we're going to type into the action search field script. Oh, oops. And then we're going to pick execute an AppleScript right here. There you go. And then we're going to choose copy this script from the AppleScript text editor. You don't really need to use the text editor. You can. There's an option to upload a text file, script file, but we're just going to copy it since it's so short. But the reason you save them in a AppleScript text editor is so they maintain their structure and format. So you always save your scripts so you can save use them later for other trigger programs like Keyboard Maestro. Obviously, there's Better Touch Tool, even Alfred, the program launcher. You are allowed to use scripts with that. All right, so we're gonna insert, copy, and paste the script now. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it right here. And now I'm just going to close the editor. Now here's our new macro called change background. Now I'm going to close the Keyboard Maestro editor. And I'm going to close the quit the AppleScript editor because we don't need that anymore. And then we're going to trigger the macro using the hotkey that we created. So Control, Option, Shift, and Command plus I. And voila, you guys see it? It changed the background super quickly. Alright guys, thank you. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like this script, I can post it later. Just let me know in the comments and like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of this type of thing. All right, thank you.